Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Begin by preparing Ubuntu for a Bedrock client. Open Terminal and install required packages. apt install Python 3, unzip wget libgl 1 mesa glx libseldev. Confirm you have at least 10 GB free disk space and create a dedicated folder like /Minecraft Bedrock. Update your graphics stack and enable hardware acceleration by installing the latest GPU driver for your card. On NVIDIA use, apt install NVIDIA driver 535 or the appropriate stable driver. Reboot after drivers install to ensure the kernel module and now install the Bedrock Launcher app image that wraps the Bedrock client. In Terminal, download the latest release from the project's GitHub and verify the checksum. Make it executable with chmod plus x Minecraft Bedrock Launcher *. App image and run it. The launcher will extract or download the official client files. When the UI opens, point the launcher at your /Minecraft Bedrock folder. Sign in with your Microsoft account when prompted, choose the Minecraft one. 20. X runtime and allow the launcher to download core assets and libraries. Finish by configuring performance and launching. In the launcher settings, choose the renderer. Try OpenGL first, switch to Vulkan if available for better performance. Allocate 4 GB RAM depending on your system. Use 2 GB for low-end and 4 GB for 8 GB systems. Enable controller support or touch emulation if you need it. Click play to start Bedrock. If the game fails, open logs in /Minecraft Bedrock /logs, update GPU drivers, or consult the launcher console for missing libraries and rerun apt install for any absent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.